So what? Yes. So now we have created a virtual classroom environment. Okay. So now I will have to create videos. So as you saw yesterday, Charulata, advantage and disadvantage for every tool. So one thing here is when I use this video tutorial Webex, so what happens here is my face will also be visible along with the PowerPoint presentation so that my students will be able to see my face. So if you have noticed, so today what we have did is as the session goes on, we have started the video so that you'll be able to see our faces because it will improve the interaction. You'll be able to see who is talking to you. In that way, we can help a little more. So that's one way. And one more thing is, if I am familiar with one single tool, I'm able to do video tutorial, I'm able to conduct video conference, I'm able to do brainstorming, I'm able to do so many things with one tool. My familiarity with the tool increases, I'll be more comfortable. So now, using a tool or being familiar with many tools is not required now. What is our requirement is how do we use a tool to enhance the teaching learning. So instead of using so many tools, if one single tool gives us so many advantages, why not get familiarized with that one single tool? That's one thing. Number two, here this Webex is online. So when anything is online, when anything is there in the internet, there will be always some security issue. So that's why we go for offline video creations like what we did in PowerPoint. But no, we feel this Webex is safer and being in the education, and I don't think there is so much of theft that can happen because the hackers are not going to get anything in this. So I don't think this will be a major problem for we as educators. So maybe when you're going for some military purpose or some government meetings and all those things, which is really confidential, in that case we can avoid all these online tools. So that's why government asks those people to use Vidyodaya, the tool which has been hosted in the Indian government. Okay, so now as educators, it's really safe to use your Webex tool. Because it's used for education and there is we need not mind whether it's getting hacked or whether it's getting shared because it's just purely for educational purpose. Okay. So now how do we create video tutorials using Webex tool? Okay. So now what happens here is again, the first step, you will have to go to this webex.com. You will have to sign up. Okay. So once you sign up, then you can sign in. Yeah, the same process is for creating a video conference or creating a video tutorial. If there are participants, you go for a video conference. If there are no participants, you go for a video tutorial. That's the only difference here. So now I'm going to create a video tutorial now. I go into webex.com. I've signed up, then I've signed in. So once I sign in, you can see I'll get this information here. I can either start a meeting or I can schedule a meeting. I wanted to create a video tutorial now. So let me start a meeting here. So when I start meeting, when I click the button, start a meeting, I'll get the screen. So I can go here and start meeting here. Now I'll have to click this start meeting. Then the next screen, what I will get is this. This I cannot show it live now because we are already in Webex. If I have to show this live, I will have to close that. That means I'm out of the meeting. So I cannot do it live. That's why I've just put every screenshot for you to understand. So first I've started the meeting. I'll get a screen like this, share screen. Now, say for example, I wanted to show my face like here, you can see my face here. Along with it, I wanted my PowerPoint. I wanted to explain, or I wanted a whiteboard. Now, sometimes in a computer, I'm in the computer field. So what happens here? I wanted to show my students a live programming. I wanted to type the program. So what I can do, I can just open that software, type the program, execute, and show it to them live. So I can share any application, any screen. If I share my screen, whatever is there in my screen, the participants will be able to view. So I can see here, this is sharing screen. So when I click this share screen, this is the screen I will get. I can go and share this screen. Screen is a desktop. Whatever is there in the desktop, you'll be able to share. So I can click the screen, then share it. So when I share the screen, this is what I will get. I can on my video, if I wanted, this is a video, I can switch it on, start the video so that I'll see the video also comes along with the meeting. So now I've started the meeting. I've started the video. I've shared my PPT, but there are no participants. Now I can start my recording here. This is my recorder here. Just click this record. So now what happens? My recording starts. I can continue with my explanation. I can move between different applications. Sorry. So once I complete that, once I complete the entire tutorial, I can just go and click this 3 dots. I'll get this drop down menu, this pop-up menu. I can click end meeting. When I click this end meeting, automatically .mp4 file will be created in the downloads folder for this meeting. So that now becomes a video. So when the video is complete, what you can do is you can just upload it in Edmodo. The students will be able to see it. Yes. So any clarifications on this? Yeah. Do you have any clarifications? Or can I proceed with something? Yeah. Okay. Fine. So let me continue with this. And if there is any clarification, maybe I'll take it to the last. So this is how we go with the video tutorials. Now video conference or webinars. No, so usually we say video conference is going to be a dialogue based. No, all of us can talk. The participants can also talk, and I can also, the speaker also can talk. In the case of webinar, we normally take it as a monologue. Okay, both are going to be the same. That's it. No, one person is going to talk, others can listen. No, whatever it is. So when I go in for the video conference here, the same process. Now, instead of, so already we have signed up. So I can sign in. Okay. So now when I sign in, I can see here, there's a schedule here. When I click the schedule button, this is the window I will get. So I can type the meeting topic here, the password, and by default, it will be Singapore time. So you can just click this drop down, change it to Chennai, Kolkata time. Once you change this time, then you can go here, change the date, no, and the time you wanted to start the meeting and the duration of your meeting. Okay. So once you complete that, you can save it. So you will have a button called schedule. Now, so first what we did, we gave a meeting topic. This is the meeting password, which automatically gets generated. You can go and change your first this timing here to Chennai, Kolkata, then change your date and time. So once you complete, you can see here, there is a recurrence here. When I check this, I can create a recurrence meeting, a continuous, no, the next day, I can also create a recurring meeting. When I check this recurrence, this is what I will get. So do I want it weekly? No, every Sunday I wanted a meeting, or I wanted Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the days. I can select all this. I can specify how long I wanted to, and all these things. I can also create a recurrence meeting, or I can just create a meeting for one single day. So we created a meeting for this Webex conference. Every day we created a meeting link. So once I do that, once I complete that, I will have a button called schedule. So when I create this schedule here, this is what I will get. So I'll get the meeting link, I'll get the meeting ID, I'll get the meeting password. And this also comes as a mail to me. So that is the mail we forwarded to you all. And you were able to come into the video conference. So this is how you create a video conference. So the same Webex tools, you can also create a video tutorial. You can also go in for a video conference, and you can also do brainstorming as we did yesterday. And we can try out more creative ideas using this Webex tool. So when you're creating this video tutorials, you can just upload it in learning management system. And also there is another choice here. if no, you can also upload your videos in your YouTube channel. No, if you wanted to make your videos public, you wanted this, you're going to do this as a service to the society. No, you wanted to take a topic, you created a video tutorial. No, you know that you're expert in that topic. You are happy that you wanted to share it with the public. So in that case, you can create a YouTube channel, upload your video, and share it with your Facebook friends. So this is how you can also help the society at large. So this type of classroom environment not only will be helpful in this type of in this situations, in this pandemic situation, this can be helpful to incorporate continuous learning 24/7, which is now expected from every one of us. I would like to take up questions. Yeah, if there is any question, you can please feel free to ask. See, there is no maximum duration of a meeting at all. Actually, for today's meeting, video conference, we created a 6-hour meeting. So there are no, it's not, there is no maximum at all. Any other clarifications? Yeah. So that's what I said. There are so many learning management systems. You have Moodle, you have Google Classroom, you have Edmodo. We are using this Edmodo because we have personally experienced this in our classroom, and we know this is doing a good benefit to the students. Once we know one learning management system, it's easy for us to adapt to any learning management system because everything is going to do the same. Maybe one or two less or more features may be there, but Google Classroom is very similar to your Edmodo.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
ma'am, in Zoom, like we have used Zoom. So it says that you can have a session only for 40 minutes. So is there any restriction in this?
Yeah, that's the another advantage of Webex. That is,
Okay.
you can. I'm just saying, no, this is a free. Actually, we are conducting this video conference free only. We are not
Yes.
paid
Yes.
anything, but it
Yes,
goes for
ma'am.
6 hours. That's the
Okay.
most. No, yeah, that's a disadvantage here in Webex.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And again, will this data be stored elsewhere in a server? Yes, it might be because we are not sure. There's no. That's why I said if anything goes online, always there is a security issue. If your data, if it's getting stored elsewhere, and if it's not a problem, I don't think there is any difficulty in that. Because here, say for example, this meeting, no, we are having a video conference here, and Cisco says it doesn't do that. But no, it's always no. We are not the promoters of Cisco, but no, we believe no what Cisco says. That's it. So we feel this is more secure. That's why we have come with this. But anything when you go in the internet, there is going to be some security issue, a major or minor security issue. But for an education field like what we are doing, I don't think the security issue will be a concern.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, and any restrictions on the number of people to be invited? Yes, ma'am. For this free classroom, we are conducting this video conference. So the maximum number of participants can be 100. No, for this video conference, Webex video conference, for free, for free. And ma'am, see, we don't see actually when you see, you can see my video there. I have not used any edX, no, sorry, headset and speaker, any extra accessories here. If your computer has got the audio and video drives properly, you don't require anything extra. Because I'm not, you can see I'm just using my webcam and I don't have a speaker or a headset here. Because no, the audio is fine in my computer. So I'm just using the audio in my computer. Thank you. So I assume that everyone has understood this and I'm sure that we'll take it forward. So thanks a lot.